Hi, I'm Daddy Papi. I'm going to show you how to unlock the steering in your car in majority of cars.
Okay, so you get in your car and your steering wheel is locked. What to do? First you want to grab your key, insert it to the ignition, and then you feel it. You see that there's a little bit of play. Find where that play is and keep it right there while you turn the ignition to on position. Lock, put it in. Just like that. Just make sure it's in a free position. See, it locks all the way over here, it can't turn, locks all the way over here. Find the play in the middle before you insert your key and turn it on. Thank you.